Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pune Travel Diaries. My name is Prasad, and just going out for a short ride. Current time is 6:19 in the morning. Sorry, the current time is 6:19 in the morning, and I'll be going nearby. It's around 70 kilometers. So I'm all set, everything is ready. I'll just show you a magic and then see you on the roads. Take care, bye. So this is my jacket and let's wear it. What happened? Let's try one more thing. That was too hard. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's try the same magic with our shoe. Okay, let's do this. Let's try this, okay? Okay. Done. So let's tie it up. So I'm all set, leaving for the ride. So see you directly on the roads. I have my bike warming up, so almost ready for a ride. I have my GPS set up as well on the bike, and it's time to start the journey. So let's begin. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, it's very beautiful. सो फाइनली आई हैव रीच्ड द डेस्टिनेशन और मेरा 1 घंटे का राइड था. There is my बाइक और 1 घंटे के राइड के बाद मैं पहुंचा हूँ अपने डेस्टिनेशन विच लुक्स समथिंग लाइक दिस. Very nice place. Not recommended these days. बारिश के थोड़ा पहले this would look beautiful, very green और बहुत अच्छी जगह है. ज़्यादा कोई लोग भी नहीं है अभी. The best time to visit this place would be just before the monsoon और अभी ज़्यादा कोई लोग भी नहीं है, कोई लोग नहीं है यहाँ पे. और let's see. अभी प्लान है कि I'll sit here for a while and then I'll have to go back because थोड़े काम भी पेंडिंग है, पुणे जाना पड़ेगा. So I'll not stay here for a long. And yeah, there is my bike. Performed well. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं था, 70 kilometers. It was good. I'll give you a quick look of my bike as well. चलो अभी मैं थोड़ी देर यहाँ पे बैठता हूँ, उसके बाद बाहर कहीं जाऊँगा, चाय पीऊँगा और फिर देन I'll make a move back to Pune. So this is a place called Necklace Point. If you search on Google as a necklace point, you'll see this place. This is somewhere near to Bhor. I mean on the way to Bhor. Bhor would be around 8-9 kilometers from here. So see you. Okay, it's time to go now. It's time to say goodbye to this place. I will for sure be back to this particular place just at the start of the monsoon. I guess at that point of time this place will look more beautiful. And see you on the bike now. I'm just gonna make my way. फिर अभी पुणे. So let's see you on the bike. Okay, so there we go. I will reach home in around 2 to 3 minutes from now. So it was a good ride. So again, as I said earlier, if you have liked the video, please press the like button. Please do comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pune Travel Diaries. I'll definitely post more videos of my travel within the city. Okay, there we go. I've reached finally.